Welcome. If you want to let people share your Facebook posts directly to their stories using the latest Facebook app update on your PC, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to turn on this feature so your friends and followers can help your posts reach even more people. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new list will appear. Now, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control all sorts of things about your account. Next, look for the section called Profile and Tagging on the left side of the screen. Click on it. Here, you'll find options that control who can see your posts, who can tag you, and how your profile is shared. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Allow Others to Share Your Posts to Their Story. This is the setting you need. If it's turned off, people won't be able to share your posts to their stories. To enable it, simply click the toggle or checkbox next to this option. Once you turn it on, your public posts can be shared by others to their stories. This is a great way to boost your reach, get more engagement, and let your content travel further across Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the feature to allow others to share your posts to their stories using the Facebook app on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.